This man made a mistake that could have cost him his life. While cutting down a tree, he didn't realize that he had left part of the trunk uncut. As a result, the tree started falling directly on him along with the chainsaw stuck inside the trunk. But he was extremely lucky as the chainsaw jammed and stopped working.
They cut down this giant tree, but something went wrong and it fell in the wrong direction, completely destroying the house.
This man is topping a coconut tree from a highly risky position. The numerous fruits on the tree make the treetop very heavy, which complicates control during the fall. The situation is even more dangerous because he uses minimal safety equipment, relying only on crossing his legs around the tree trunk and a safety belt around his waist. Although he possesses impressive skills, the activity remains extremely hazardous. Let's give him a thumbs up.